How is your energy when you have the flu? Pretty bad, isn't it? So do you imagine that what helps produce energy in your body, that your thyroid is working really well when you have the flu? Probably not. And it's probably producing the right hormones on the days you have the flu, but at the receptor site where the hormone docks into the receptor and things happen inside the cell, that's where it's not working on those days that you have the flu. And I'm using the flu as an example. Thyroid pattern number 21 involves immune activation hindering the thyroid receptor sites. So immune activation hindering thyroid receptor sites. This one is a little more difficult to show you black and white numbers on because the numbers will look good. And we can do advanced cytokine testing. Those are testing for different immune messengers, and I'm going to spare you the big words because I get lost in those big words too sometimes. But cytokines are immune messengers. You can measure them in the blood and other ways, but that's a more advanced thing. But let's take it from a practical standpoint. We use the analogy of the flu. So when you have the flu, you feel like crap because everything is slowing down, even at the cellular level. So the cytokines can interfere with the cell receptor sites for thyroid hormone, and things look normal on the labs, but you feel sluggish and like crap. And you have a lot of low thyroid symptoms. So you may be constipated, have hair loss, be cold, etc. Now, let's talk about not having the flu, but having a minor grade of that all the time. Say that you're eating foods that you're sensitive to regularly, and that's creating inflammation, which is cytokines, immune messengers, and those are shutting down the thyroid hormone at the cellular level. That could be one example. Say you have some hidden infections in your gut, and we do DNA stool testing to find those. But if you have hidden infections in your gut, they're going to create inflammation or cytokines and shut down your thyroid at the cellular level. So it's sort of like having a low-grade flu all the time in terms of how your thyroid functions at the cellular level. So this is a big deal. This is an important thing for understanding thyroid function and helping you be as optimum healthy as possible, having great energy, being able to lose weight, having proper balance between being hot and cold, and control your metabolism. So this is thyroid pattern number 21, immune activation, shutting down the thyroid receptors so that you feel like crap even with your labs are normal. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness Chiropractic Redefined. If you like more videos like this, be sure and watch the rest of our series on 24 thyroid patterns. And subscribe to us here on YouTube.